Everyone tells you to buy more inventory when sales are booming, but no one tells you what happens when demand crashes. And the shocking truth is, inaccurate forecasting is secretly destroying e-commerce businesses across the globe. Some founders learned this the hard way when their e-commerce business nearly collapsed, especially after COVID. During lockdowns, some were selling out constantly, so they kept buying more inventory. They thought the boom would never end, but they made a catastrophic error. They never considered what would happen when stimulus checks ended and lockdowns lifted. January hit and some of them missed forecast by 50%. In just 2 weeks, they burned through all of their cash and they had to completely restructure their organization. They were facing supplier calls they couldn't answer and employees they might not be able to pay. That's when they realized they were not failing because of sales. They were failing because they couldn't predict the demand. Yet shockingly, 67% of brands have zero formalized approach to forecasting. The solution is data analytics so you never run out of cash or stock again, even in unpredictable markets. Here is exactly how to implement this in your business. First, centralize every data source once you hit $500,000 to $1 million in yearly sales. Connect Shopify, Google Ads, Meta Ads, and your inventory system into one dashboard. When your sales, stock levels, and marketing data are all in one view, you instantly see if demand is cooling down before your cash flow gets hit. Next, build a scenario forecasting dashboard after your data is centralized. Create a system that lets you test what-if situations. Like, what if sales drop 20% next month? What if ad costs rise by 15%? What if your stock shipment is delayed by 10 days? Instead of guessing, you will see how each scenario affects your profit, inventory, and cash flow. This lets you make faster, data-backed decisions without panicking when market shifts. Third, use historical big data for pattern detection once you have 6 to 12 months of data. Compare the current performance against the same period last year or quarter. You will learn when demand typically slows, which products are seasonal, and when to conserve cash. This allows you to make smarter inventory and marketing decisions before market shifts. Smart forecasting isn't just a tool for big players. It's the survival gear for every e-commerce business.